Ctypes, view C_char_p field of return struct. I've defined a simple C struct called test struct and a function init_struct to create an instance and return a pointer to it. I compile the C code into a .so file using GCC. Then, in Python, I want to create a binding using Ctypes that can access all the members of the C struct. The integer members of the struct, x and y, print out fine, but I can't figure out how to print the string that MSG points to. Instead of the expected hello world, I end up seeing a byte string b\x01. My hunch from other reading is that I'm truncating the true, longer string and only showing the first byte.
You are passing Ctypes.C_char_p, be hello world, to init_struct and copying the pointer to the C_char_p block in the assignments to initial and p. However, that pointer to the C_char_p block is only valid for the duration of the call to init_struct, i.e., once init_struct returns, that C_char_p pointer will no longer be valid and accessing it will be undefined behavior. In other words, the copy of that pointer you took in the struct.message is dangling and should never be accessed outside init_struct. Remember that Ctypes does not violate Python's garbage collection, GC, rules. In this line struct equals _init_struct 1 for Ctypes.C_char_p, be hello world. Ctypes will allocate some C_char_p object, copy in the string hello world, null terminated, and pass the raw pointer to that memory to the C side. Then the C side runs and your code takes a copy of that pointer. When the C side returns, Ctypes releases its reference to the C_char_p object. Python's GC then finds that the C_char_p is no longer referenced and so it gets garbage collected. Hence, you end up with a dangling pointer in the struct.message. The proper solution is to clone message contents inside init_struct and provide a fini_struct function to free that clone memory when you are done with it, something like. Then the Python side.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.